Dry eye, girl, simple means.
Dry eye, girl, tomorrow.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say morning, fam bam.
Good morning.
Maybe look like a ghost in the sun. Guys, say morning. Morning. And Sarah can't say morning as she's sleeping. You guys look at her in the mirror. As we started driving, she starts sleeping because it's
10 a.m. That's a
it's 10 a.m. It's her nap time. She would be napping already, but because everybody in the house and we getting ready to leave, so she took a late nap. Normally she would start her nap when I drop Tyler to school, and she would nap until about like 11 before she wake up. But she woke up the usual time, just in time when we would be carrying Tyler to school. She woke up this morning on time, and that's when she wake up every morning. But like I said, we were in the house shuffling and moving around, and she's seen her brother and her father, so she stayed awake until I get her dressed and feed her. And we're on the road this morning. Early birds catch the most worm, and we are going to catch lots of worm today because we're super early. Yes, baby.
We're going to a surprise.
No, we're not going to a surprise. We're actually heading to a swimming pool because I insist on having Tyler doing swimming this year because he needs to learn how to swim. Tyler super love the water, and he loves taking risk in the water. And this mama can't swim, so baby have to swim, okay? Even though I will do my lessons at some point, but I need to get Tyler in for this year. By next summer he'll be swimming. So we are heading to a swimming pool that we think he might be able to attend for lessons. So that's where we're heading first, and then we should go into the supermarket to pick up our weekly goodies. So that's what we're up to right now. But yeah, of course we're gonna take you guys along. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you guys, and we'll see you guys throughout the day, honey. You're excited to start swimming lessons, Ty? Yeah.
You sure?
I'm excited for you to start swimming lessons. The joy of having a daughter. Tell me why I say that. Why you didn't stop behind that one? The joy of having a daughter. Tell me why I say that. Because I'm wearing one of Sarah's headband. Hey. Yes, girl. Come through with your daughter headband. I'm wearing my child's headband. Isn't it perfect in mama's hair? Yes! Oh, I'm wearing Sarah's headband. Yeah, baby's actually stopping at the post office. Look at her sleeping. Let me show you guys Sarah, if you guys can see her. Do you hear her snoring? Snoring, literally. first try. I'm eating this entire watermelon by myself. Babe just get 2 bites. Tyler got 2 bites.
And you get 40 baht.
And I'm killing the rest. Well, at least I didn't go fast food and at least I didn't eat junk. But I'm going home to warm up leftovers from yesterday for lunch. And yay, hooray, Tyler got into swimming lessons. So Tyler will be doing swimming classes once per week for an hour. Every Wednesday he'll be doing swim lessons, so that's exciting. Tyler, you excited? Yeah. So we finish supermarket shopping and heading home to give you guys a supermarket haul while I get lunch ready for the boys while they're doing the haul. So stay tuned for the supermarket haul coming up right now.
This one.
Okay, let's go.
This is
Celery.
celery.
You're right. Papa says trees. What else you have down there?
This is yogurt.
Mm-hmm.
Apple. This is apple.
Mm-hmm.
Apple? What is that? Apple?
Apple.
Apple.
Apple?
Apple. Ooh.
This is not for you.
Yes, it's for me.
Give me the cream. What are you wicked? Baby, stop this.
Me. Not for you.
Okay.
We have...
Only for me.
So that's Tyler's side and that's Papa's side. Okay.
Not only my son.
Alright. That's eggs. Eggs for everybody. Right. We need to share. Eggs for everybody. We share.
I don't like eggs. I don't
That's true. Come on, leave him alone, man.
This is good for my toast.
What is that?
Yogurt.
What kind of yogurt is that?
Quinoa.
Yeah. Quinoa. How we got?
Quinoa yogurt.
It's kiwi, Tyler.
When it was quinoa
Kiwi.
yogurt, I will let it to you.
Quinoa.
Yes, but not in yogurt.
Yes,
this is your side, not Papa's side.
yogurt.
Good
That's
job,
Papa's
Ty.
side. What is that, Tyler?
This is pencil.
What is that?
Is
It's big ball. Expensive for Tyler too. Avocado and banana for who? Banana.
Everybody.
Right. And this is.
Cabbage.
No, look
this
good.
is
Broccoli.
Broccoli for who?
Everybody.
No, not everybody. Broccoli for who? Broccoli for Tyler. For Tyler only. What is that, Tyler?
Someone.
Someone for who?
Everybody.
Everybody and more for Papa. And some yogurt for you, for babe. Biscuit for bed in the middle of the night. Another time than in the middle of the night or only
No, only in the
night?
middle of the night when I wake to breastfeed and hunger slap me.
The chocolate milk is.
Yeah, not chocolate, milk is happy biscuit.
Okay,
Pacifier.
yeah, for back off. Spare.
Pacifier for Tyler. We got pencils, so we got this things and rubber and
Good job, Ty.
cashew for me mainly.
Watch him. Him no say no mainly for him, you know, because I mainly eat it. That's why I'm can't look. Come on, show the rest.
Nobody else.
Hurry before my memory.
Everybody's for
Leno to make the things, the clothes smell good. some chocolate milk that's Tyler's favorite. Yesterday didn't have none, he was so sad. And we have some juice for Tyler.
This is
For Papa. We bought a pack of apple juice the last time and we finished it before the end of the week. So, yeah.
You finish it before the end of the week because another day I don't drink any.
Yeah, but
none
in
at
the-
all. And I drink one some
me say
evening when you
something.
come home.
In the day, I don't
So,
drink no apple juice.
oh, so how much you drink when you come home in the evenings? And you drink one every morning for breakfast. Think about that. So you drink 3 glass per day. And how much glass hold in a box? Talk about that. Talk about that. So who drinking most? You see a guilty face? You want hug? Hug.
What is... Yeah, because you do a lot of things wrong.
Tell Papa that's not
A lot
true.
of apple juice,
For himself, not for me. I am not guilty of this one. I am not guilty of this one. Sorry. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul. I didn't even show you guys my little cute outfit of the day.
You have 2 of this.
I'm wearing this little crop top. That's what they call it, I think. Short. And this high waist skirt, which I super love. Split at the side and my big bottom showing on the back. And these cute slippers. And Sarah is taking a nap and I'm gonna take her out right now.
Yeah.
Her cute self. Oh, she's not sleeping. She's tricking me. You tricking me? You tricking Mama? Yes, I see a trick face. I see a trick face. I see a trick face. I see a little trick face. Look at her dry eye. Yeah, dry now, girl. Yeah, dry now, girl. Look at her smiling. Yeah, dry like your mother one. The real reason why we went on the road early is because I wanted to come back to catch the championships because my girl Elaine will be running today. Look at Sarah. She's right beside me. Elaine will be running today, and of course I'll be cheering with my loudest voice, though today is only heat. Ty, be careful. Go on the other side. Go on the other side. Okay, you can see right there. Hello, give her a break, you know? Look at Sarah looking in the camera. With her face. She got to be my child. She have some attitude face, you see. I won't give sister a break. Ty, be gentle. Be more gentle, please. What color? What you say, Tyler?
What color of underwear Auntie Elaine?
What color of underwear Auntie Elaine is wearing? Underwear, the panty that they're running in. But me not wrong, give him right. What color underwear she gonna wear?
Yes.
We're gonna have to wait and see.
Look at that.
So everybody wearing the color here of them country.
Which country,
Shelly was
Tyler?
in yellow here,
Look at
and this girl in burgundy here. Tell her favorite flag. Pretty. Give Mama a smile. Big smile for Mama. Big smile for Mama. What a girl to put her hand in her mouth. Big smile for Mama. Big smile for Mama. Big smile for Mama. Give Mama a big smile. Mwah. Yes. Tell me all about it. Tell me all about it. Tell me all about it. Look at that. Tell me all about it. You gonna tell me all about it? You gonna tell me all about it? I know. Tell me. Tell mama I'm listening. Tell me all about it. It's okay. You can tell me. You can always tell me, okay? Never be afraid to tell mama what you want to share with me, okay? And you can share whatever you want. You can always talk to me about anything. Anything. Do you understand? Right? Right, that blink tells me you understand. Good girl. Good girl. You're just looking at me non-stop. Yes, sir. What you want?
It's you who suffer.
Yeah, but Papa gonna play.
But Papa gonna play too?
Well, it's the evening. I'm the one in the kitchen, but I don't do nothing special. Let me guys showing you what I'm actually doing. I'm doing some fries. Tell her you like your fries. What else you eating with fries? Pizza? Where's your pizza? In your stomach? Already? Yeah. That's some pizza. You ate yours?
Long time it's vanished.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're good.
Mama don't cook.
Okay. Yeah.
Papa do pizza and fries.
When Mama don't cook, Papa do pizza and fries. Papa do all of the crabs that can be done.
No.
You don't want any more?
Oh yeah, I hope you're having fun. Well, it's a good day. We're watching track. Our friend Ellen, she wanna eat. So tomorrow should be the semi-final and hopefully the final.
By the time they see this vlog, it will be final good gone.
Yeah. So yeah, hopefully finger crossed for tomorrow. And yeah, let's enjoy the end and the rest of today. Baby's here. I'm making her pizza. I'm making her fries, and she's enjoying all of the crap. So let's say that today is a cheating day. That's how you call it?
Yes, cheat day.
Cheat day is today. Well, hopefully it's only today.
Man, you make him hurt, honey. If you ever make him hurt, we kill you, baby. Careful. Jesus Christ, baby. Man, you make him hurt, honey. Jesus. Well, sorry, and I just see you chilling. Look at your mouth. Jesus.
So you can't do that close, sir. Sit down.
We start giving back the faves the expression of the day. So the Jamaican expression for today is dry eye gal. Say it. Say dry eye gal. Come back in the camera frame. Come back beside Papa before you say it.
Dry eye gal.
No, dry eye gal.
Dry eye gal.
Yal. Dry yal.
Dry eye.
Think about you in Jamaica in the corner shop and you see the old lady. Jeremiah, dry yal.
No. That's not how it is. Dry eye gal simple means
Dry eye
simple means. Like if you say something to me and I'm just looking at you like this, no care in the world, and I'm just staring at you. Zero care. Like when you look in my eyes, it's like it's speaking to you without me saying anything. So you see, when I'm talking to Sarah and she's just staring at me like, and I said to her today, yeah, Jerry, you see this? I look for me. It's like you have no care.
Yes, I talk to Sarah.
Yes, Jaya girl. Anyways, say Jaya girl.
Jaya girl.
Yes, what's the French expression for today?
La tête au carré.
La tête au carré. What does that mean?
La tête au carré is when you
Your
want
head
to
break.
buck somebody and say, I'm gonna make you la tête au carré. It's like square head.
Hilarious. Oh, make your head into a square.
Not
That's what
into
you
a square.
translate.
Yeah, la tête au carré. I'm gonna make your head a square. Not into a square. I'm gonna make your head a square.
Make your head a square.
Yeah, la tête au carré.
La tête au carré.
Mhm.
Okay. Alright, you guys. So there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
And we are signing out for tonight. Make sure you guys subscribe if it's your first time to the Fam Bam. Comment down below, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Look at Sarah. She's watching Track and Field with us. She's focused on the TV. Look at her. Well, I am going to say the Jamaican myth that eating a lot of pepper let your baby drool a lot is true, because this girl, honey, she's a drooly mouth. Look at her mouth. My girl stay drooling. Look at her mouth, it's wet. Look at her. Oh, and this is why I'm signing out for tonight, because I need to go take care of my babies. See you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
You're hilarious.